Hi guys, how are you today? Iryna Shevchenko is here, your Facebook group visibility coach, marketing strategist, and founder of Savvy Action Taker Entrepreneur Academy. So if you're interested to grow your list, get booked with Facebook groups, then I'm good girl for you. But if you want to get known, simply introduce yourself and put the problems that you cover in your intro. Because the problems will be, if I'm interested in your service and I see that you're able to help me, yes, you grab my attention. That's the first step. The second step, then I will keep watching you and then I will decide for myself if I like you or if I don't like it. Then on the second step, I will decide if your personality is good for me or your personality is not good for me. But the first thing, it starts with that problem, attracting the problem.